Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you have count, you have it. You have to know this one. If you have count, you have it. You just you have to this one is called Vapa Rab. You just buy from them. I will write it for you. You just Vapa Vapo Rab Vapo Rab is calling. This one Vapo Rab is calling. We just see this one Vapor rub is calling. This one you have to you can rub in there. This one between naked. This one where you feel there. You just rub in there. It all go from you like that. So this one a lot who has sick and he's like throat in like couch. So we have rabbin there around there. They have rabbin. This one you buy from the store, drug store, any Walmart, pharmacy, or Safeway, Walmart, different store. You buy from them or pharmacy. You just rub in there around naked. It's go from you like that. So if you have looking, they have like a lot different kinds. Look, I can show you. It's called rabbin. One only, you have to know this one. So this one is called this one. Vapor rub is called vapor rub. So this one, keep rich this one. Ready for help you to relieve distress or cold like that. So different kind. You just if you want you can put in the making. Easy to throw like that. The other thing is they don't have like a lot no option. So a lot who have if you have throat they have like that. You have to know this one. You have if you have count you have it. You buy this one and rub in there around your naked. So easy to go in from you. So this one. So this one, if you have count, you have it. You rub it around naked. Easy to from you, you go in. So this one, how to from you like that. So easy to diplomacy is going from you. So thank you for watching. My name is Abdullah Musa from Canada, Bruxelles.